Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you an easy and fast way to convert any PDF file into a PowerPoint PPT file. You might need to convert a PDF to PPT to create a presentation or reuse content in slides. This method makes it super easy, so let's get started. Inside Systweak PDF Editor, select the PDF you want to convert. Then go to the top menu bar and click on Convert. To convert the PDF to PPT, click on Convert to. Select PDF to PPT, confirm the output format and select the destination folder. Now click the Convert to PPT button. This will convert your PDF file to a PPT file and save it in the output folder. Let's check the files. Here's the original PDF and here's the PPT file we just created from it. Now let's see how you can convert multiple PDF files to PPT format all at once. To do this, go to Batch Process. Select Batch Convert, drop the PDF files here, select PPT in output format and select the destination folder. Click on the Convert to PPT button and the tool will convert all the PDF files into PPT and save them in the output folder. Here are the PDFs and these are the PPT files we created from them. That's how easy it is to convert any PDF file into PPT file using Systweak PDF Editor. You can check out other tutorials on Systweak PDF Editor by clicking the playlist link in the description. Also, you can scan the QR code visible on the screen to download and install Systweak PDF Editor from the website. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you face any issues, just drop a comment, I'll help you out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.